Hello friends, welcome back. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to consolidate multiple worksheets into one worksheet in Excel. Hey, if you are new into my channel, make sure you have pressed the subscribe button below. And if you like this video, don't forget to press the like button. If you have any questions, you can write down in the comment section. You can use Excel Consolidate feature to consolidate your worksheets located in one workbook or multiple workbooks into one worksheet. Here you can see I have opened 3 worksheets. One is district 3, one is district 2, and the other one is district 1. Okay, so I will show you 2 ways how you can consolidate multiple worksheets from a single workbooks, and how you can consolidate multiple worksheets from different workbooks. Okay, so first I will show you how you can consolidate worksheets from the same workbooks. Okay, so you can see I have file consolidate. Okay, in the sheet 1 I have created a table with the demo data, and in sheet 2, because in sheet 1 you can see that coffee, tea, milk is available, and in sheet 2 only coffee and milk, tea is not there. So it means the data pattern is not same. It means the data is not identical. Okay, so how you will get the result in this sheet? For this you have to click on the data tab, then just click in the consolidate. Inside the data tools group, you just click on the consolidate option. Okay, here you can do anything which are present here. Just means you can do anything, means you can sum, you can count, average, max. Likewise the formula is showing here, so you can perform all these activities by using these formulas. Okay, so let me delete. When you are taking data from same workbook, then you don't need to click on the browse option. Okay, you just click on the sheet 1 and just select the data. Just click on add. Okay, just click on sheet 2 and just select the data. Click on add. Okay, so here you can see I have checked top row and left column. Why I have checked top row and left column? If you don't check top row and left column, it will add the data in the which are present in the same position, and you know our data is not identical. So if we don't check top row and left column, so it will give us a wrong output. Okay, just click on OK. Here you can see the table is ready. That means the summation is ready. So let's check for coffee 8640. So we will check 6624 and 2016. So let's test 8640. So that means our output is accurate. So if that is the case, you have to take worksheets data from multiple workbooks, just like I have opened here 3 workbooks. So then what you will do? So for this you need to perform the same activity. So now we will see how to consolidate data from multiple workbooks. Okay, so for this you have to perform the same activity. You just need to click on the data tab, then in the data tools group you can find the consolidate option. Just click here, and for this just select the sheet, desired sheet, and select the data. Okay, just add, and perform the same activity for other two sheets. Just select the data and click on add. Okay, and select for district 1 also and just add. Just click on check on top row and left column and click on OK. Here you can see the output is present, but here is a limitation. If you change your source data, so it will not change, it will not affect the result. So for this, what we need to do, we need to click on one option which are present here, create links to source data. So if you check before adding the reference or before adding the worksheets reference, then it will automatically link with your source data. If you change your source data, it will replicate in the result. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.